Okay, we're Radiator came on Saturday delivery, huh? $59 with free shipping off of eBay. I believe this is the same radiator that John West put on his kart ×2 on the Gibson that he's building for Daytona. So let's take a look and find out, shall we? There's a whole bunch of bunch of companies selling the same radiator on eBay. They're all Chinese, I think, made in China or something. But, a couple of them are a little bit more expensive than the others, and the only difference that I found between them was, I'll show you in a second, this fitting here. Oh, and see, I must have got one of the good ones. Imagine that. Open the old bag up. The fitting on which would be the back side. Well, I guess they're both back side of the CIK radiator. This would be the front. This would be the back. I guess it would be the top hose that goes around the back of the seat on the sprint shifter car. On some of these radiators, I thought this one as well. You can see the fitting here has got a nice radius bend in it. Some of them are a piece of flat stock, two pieces of flat stock cut on a 45-degree angle and welded together. So I'm happy that this one is a pre-formed piece. It's just going to flow a little better, you know. Boy, it's going to be a shame to have to cut that cap off of there and block that sucker off. But well, they even polished the tanks. It's a nice piece. 59 bucks, free shipping from eBay. They even sent a thank you card. Look at that. Check it out, folks. Little thank you card. Thank you, Puff Daddy, for using our famous radiator in your go-kart. So, that's the look we're looking for. I think we're going to go this way. Let's take it over and see how she fits. It's going to go in here somewhere. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, something like that. Maybe over a little bit. This little stand that holds my water bottle up is kind of in the way, but yeah, kind of like that. A bit bigger than the other one, but yeah, it's nice. It's a nice little radiator there. Let's sit you back up here for just a sec and see what the core actually looks like. It says it's 3 rows of tubing. Ooh, they're about 1/2 inch, I'd say. 3 half-inch wide tubes. I don't know if you can see that in there, folks. 1, 2, 3. So it's not a bad gig. It's the fins per inch, as we've seen in some of these other videos, looks more like the what is that? The Creek radiator that Scotty Peasburg sent to us. But we'll see. All we can do is put it on a try for 60 bucks. We can't go wrong, right? That's it. Talk to y'all later. Shop on eBay. It's a good deal, 60 bucks. Talk to y'all.